What's up everybody, Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we have another V6 in the shop today. This one is a 3.7 liter V6 and it is pro-charged. We're running on about 6 pounds of boost, and we just put it on the dyno. We made a pull on our regular tune that we have on it, but now we're gonna go ahead and upgrade to some MS109 tuning, a little bit of race gas, and we'll see how it does. So check out the graph so far. That was on 93 octane, just normal, not pushing it hard. We're gonna see what we can get this mix of MS109 to do.
PROCHARGER stock airbox. I've never seen that before. First soft top we've had in here. I like it. Some big meats on the back. I'm sure he's got plenty of grip.
Stock pulley, right?
Yeah, so that's only about 6 pounds of boost. That's what your pulley was, right?
That's what I've seen.
So that's about 6 pounds of boost, guys, and just swapping to a race fuel, and it was a mix. So he still had some 93 in there, or whatever was in the tank. Hopefully 93. I think it was good 93. But all we did was add 5 gallons of MS109. We tweaked the tune to be an MS109 tune, and the car picked up literally 14 horsepower and 10 foot-pounds of torque peak. But if you look at the graph, it gained it the entire pull. So you literally gained, that's a 10 to 15, 10 to 20 horsepower and torque the entire graph. Check that out, that's pretty sweet. I'll make it bigger so we can see it, but it hasn't even mixed all the way. So we're gonna literally do another tweak or two, and then we're gonna run it again, but look at the difference already.
That is not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. 421, 357, I'll take it. So there we go, guys. Another pull on the car. It went pretty well. This is on SAE, and we made 436 and 358. So look at that graph. That's a nice looking graph. And literally the only changes are we have some timing tweaks and a fuel change. And again, that's with mixed fuel. So we're gonna pull it off the dyno, we'll go take it for a rip, see how it feels, but I'm pretty happy with that. About 6 PSI, 436 horsepower. That's awesome. All right, guys, so we just finished tuning the car. We made 436 horsepower, as you guys saw, and we went for a ride. Frank, what do you think? It's got great power, right?
Oh, I love it. It's a lot faster than I thought it'd be. And we picked up a lot more power than I thought. I was gonna be happy with 400. We ended up with 436. That's just amazing.
I know, we were at 407 on 93. So with the little bit of boost that this car has, just imagine if we had this car with a little bit more boost, we could almost hit 500 on the MS109 pretty easily with like 10 or 12 pounds of boost. Yep. That would be a ride. But thanks for coming out. We appreciate it, Frank.
And I appreciate all your help.
Always, and look out for this one, guys, running around Florida and Texas. She's a quick one. We'll see you next time. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing. We're out.